Hey guys, welcome to Smoke Sessions. My name is Rasheed Philips, and today I've partnered up with my amazing friends, Kingsford, Masterbuilt, and the Home Depot to bring you some amazing cooking techniques to help you master your flavor. We're going to make some amazingly delicious and flavorful herb-crusted baked salmon. Let's get into it. Utilizing my favorite feature of the Masterbuilt Gravity Series, consistent temperature, we're going to be able to bake our salmon at 375 degrees. I'm just going to use some olive oil as a binder. A binder can range from anything, mustard to oil. Today I'm using a nice infused oil. And I'm actually oiling the skin side as well, so I can get it nice and crisp. I'm going to start with a nice layer of salt. Next up are dry herbs. For me, I'm using parsley and thyme. Of course, black pepper for good measure. And while I'm doing this, we've got our Gravity Series coming up to temp. Tap that in. Time to hit the smoker. All right guys, time for my favorite part of the cook, the taste test. Some of the most flavorful dishes aren't complicated at all. Simple ingredients, quality fuel like we've got with our Kingsford charcoal here. Our baked salmon tastes great. The salt's coming through, our dried herbs are coming through, and the smoke and char flavor, absolutely perfect. Make sure to visit your local Home Depot, snag yourself a Masterbuilt Gravity Series 1050, a bag of Kingsford charcoal, and get to cooking. I'll see you guys next week.